Hello, good morning, all of you. Okay, this is the seventh question in short answer questions, 4 marks. What is spermatogenesis? Briefly describe the process of spermatogenesis in man. It is important for IP as well as NEET exam, especially to the NEET exam. The process of formation of spermatozoa or sperms is called spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? The process of formation of sperms or spermatozoa. Where does it occur? It occurs in seminiferous tubules. Where does it occur? It occurs in seminiferous tubules. And when does it begin? It begins at puberty. It begins at puberty. Spermatogonial stem cells in the seminiferous tubules multiply by mitotic division and increase in numbers. Each spermatogonial stem cell is haploid with 46 chromosomes. Some of these spermatogonia, singularly called spermatogonium, they develop into primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte develops into secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte develops into early spermatid. Finally, spermatid is being converted to sperm. And here these are the sperms which are released into the lumen, and their heads are being embedded in the Sertoli cell, which is called nourishing cell. Okay, you can see, okay, these cells, the Sertoli cells, also called nurse cells, they provide nourishment to these cells. Okay, some of these cells develop into primary spermatocytes. A primary spermatocyte completes meiosis 1, leading to the formation of two equal sized haploid secondary spermatocytes, each with 26 chromosomes. A primary spermatocyte completes meiosis 1, leading to the formation of two equal sized haploid secondary spermatocytes, each with 26 chromosomes. This secondary, you can observe here spermatogonium, this one, and then spermatogonium forms develop into primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte develops into secondary spermatocyte. From the secondary spermatids are formed. Spermatid is not shown here, and finally spermatozoa or sperms are formed. These secondary spermatocytes divide by meiosis 2, forming four equal sized cells called haploid cells called spermatid. The spermatids are transformed into spermatozoa by spermiogenesis. What is spermiogenesis? Okay, the transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa. Thus, four spermatozoa are formed from one primary spermatocyte. One primary spermatocyte gives rise to four spermatozoa. Spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty due to significant increase in the secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH. When does it begin? Okay, at puberty. Why? Due to the significant increase in the secretion of the gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is a hypothalamic hormone. GnRH is a what type of hormone? Hypothalamic hormone. The increased level of GnRH acts as on the adenohypophysis of the pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of two types of gonadotropins. What are they? Luteinizing, these are called gonadotropins, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. LH acts on the Leydig cells and stimulates the secretion of androgen. LH acts on Leydig cells and stimulates the secretion of androgens. Androgens in turn stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. What about FSH? FSH acts on Sertoli cells, which stimulates the secretion of some factors which help in the process of spermatogenesis.